In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off the Wrike bot notifications, or at least tailor them to better fit your needs. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to go to wrike.com and log into your account. Look for the login button, which is located in the upper right corner of the page. Simply click on it and then enter your email information to gain access. Once you're in, you might be wondering if there's a direct way to completely disable the Wrike bot. While there isn't a straightforward switch to turn off this helpful but sometimes overwhelming assistant, you still have pretty good control over how it communicates with you, especially regarding its notifications. The key is in your profile settings. Navigate to these by clicking on your profile icon, found at the top right of your Wrike workspace. Once you click on that icon, a drop-down menu should appear. Select Profile Settings from this menu. After you've landed on your profile settings page, it's time to focus on your email preferences. This is where all the magic happens in tailoring those notifications. Scroll down the page until you find the product reminders section. Here is where you can start making essential changes. You'll see a list of options with checkboxes beside them. These represent different notifications you might be receiving, such as reminders when your next task is queued up and ready to start. Feel free to uncheck any boxes for notifications that don't serve your needs. By doing this, you ensure that you're only getting alerts that matter most to you, rather than a constant barrage of unnecessary updates. In addition to curbing those specific notifications, you can also disable email reminders from the automation bot. It's a similar process. You're still working within the email preferences section. Again, check out the list of notifications and decide which ones you can do without clogging up your inbox. This step goes a long way in making sure your workday isn't interrupted by less than essential emails. By using these tips and taking advantage of the flexibility within your profile settings, you're customizing your Wrike bot experience. That not only helps you work more efficiently, but also makes sure that you only receive notifications that are truly relevant to your tasks and workflow. While you might not be able to turn off the Wrike bot entirely, these steps will give you a much more tailored and less intrusive experience. Thanks for watching, and hopefully these tips help streamline your use of Wrike. If you found this video helpful, be sure to share it with others who might also benefit from a little less notification noise in their day.